Hello everyone, welcome to JavaScript tutorial for beginner. In this tutorial, I am going to talk about functions in JavaScript. So here, in order to write function in our JavaScript, first of all, we need to say over here function. And after this, we need to give our function name. You can name your function name anything. Let's just say over here hello. You can name it basically anything. And here, after value, we need to give to first bracket, and then we need to give to second bracket. So inside this we can write a lot of condition, or we can add some value, multiply some value, anything we want. So here let's declare a variable. Let's send var num on equal to 5. Then we'll say over here var result equal to, let's say we want to find the multiplication of number on into number on. It means 5 into 5. So let's say over here number 1 into number 1. So right now we will print this result. So for it we'll say over here document dot write, then to first bracket let's say over here the result is, then let's just give over here a plus sign, and let's mention this result over here. So right now after this result, let's also add the br tag. So we'll give to double quotation, and here we'll say over here br. So right now here you can see that we have a function called value, and we declare a variable, and we are trying to find the multiplication, and here we print the total result. So we should get the result is 25, right? So right now if we refresh, we will not get the result is 25. Let me just show you. If I just open it in the Google Chrome, over here you can see that there is no value over here. The reason is over here we are writing a function, and here the function is value, and in order to show this we need to call this function called value. So right now if we just say over here value to first bracket and into with a semicolon, here it means we are calling the function value, which is this one, and only then it will show us the result. So right now if we save it, we will see the result is 25, because right now we are calling the function value over here. So what will happen is that our computer will come to the skip part, and it will see the function value over here, but we did not call the function, so it will not execute anything. But when it will come down, you'll see over here we call the function value, so it will go over there, and then it will do whatever it needs to do, and then print the result over here. So right now if we save it, then refresh here you can see the result is 25. So right now if we want, we can also pass a parameter using the value. What do I mean by that? Let's say over here inside the value, if we just give over here 7, and here we mention a variable var number 1, right? So we'll remove this from here, and we'll say over here number 1. So what will happen is that when our computer come over here, it will see over here the value, and it will see over here 7. So it will count this 7 as the value of number 1. So it will go over here, and it will multiply 7 into 7. So we'll get the result. The result is 49. Let me just show you. Save it. Then if we now refresh here you can see the result is 49. If you want, you can send multiple parameter from here. Let's say 7 comma 10, and here we are going to say number comma number 2. Since we give 2 parameter over here, so we also require to give 2 parameter. If you give on, it will not work. So 7, so here number 1 into, let's say, number 2, so 7 into 10, it will be 70, right? So right now if we now refresh here you can see the result is 70. You can call the function multiple times. Let me just show you. Let's say over here 4 into 10, then let's say over here 2 into 3. So we'll see the result total of 3 times, because we call the function value 3 times with different value. So right now if we refresh here you can see the result is 70, then 40, and then 6. So here you can see we are able to call the function multiple times. So this is how you can use function in JavaScript. So this was the basics of JavaScript that I tried to show in this tutorial. I hope you find this simple. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure to subscribe and I will see you in the next tutorial.